हेलो गाइज मु प्रीतेश मुझे आउ गोटे करेन्ट अफेयर क्लास नहीं चली आसी आपण जल्दी जल्दी जो भाया इनफर्मेटिव वीडियो और नॉलेजेबल वीडियो पाइबा मो चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर दिंतु ये वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर कर दिंतु। तो चलतु क्लास स्टार्ट करवा। तो फास्ट क्वेश्चन है करेन्ट अफेयर भारत पे हैज पार्टनर्ड विथ व्हिच बैंक टू लॉन्च इट्स पॉइंट ऑफ सेल पीओएस बिजनेस भारत स्वाइप। आंसर है डी Axis Bank. Then the number answer is the Y Break is a 5-minute yoga protocol application with focus on working professional launched by which ministry? Answer is A. Minister of Ayush. Then the number which day is observed as the World Coconut Day globally? Answer is D. 2 September. Then what is the projected GDP growth forecast for India as per Morgan Stanley in financial year 2022? Answer is C. 10.5%. The Hybrid Life is a living plant based air purifier developed by which institute? 5 answer is B. IIT Roper. Then which country hosted the 8th meeting of agricultural experts of BIMSTEC countries recently? 6 number answer is D. India. Then 7 number what is the revenue collected from goods and services tax GST in August 2021? Answer is E. अगस्ट 2021 में केते 1.1 लाख करोड़ रुपीज जीएसटी रे हमर कलेक्ट होई रेवेन्यू। देन 8 नंबर है हु हैज बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द चेयरमैन ऑफ सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्ट टैक्सेस। सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्ट टैक्सेस चेयरमैन भाई किए नियुक्त होइछंती? 8 नंबर आंसर है बी जेपी महापात्र। देन 9 नंबर है जाम्बोंगा सिबुगोए बेस्ट and community environmentalist Robert Bellon got the Ramon Magsaysay 2021. Jambonga Sibgue is a province located in the dash. 9 number answer है A. Philippines. Then India's economy grew by dash during the April-June quarter of the financial year as against 24.4% concentration seen during the same period last year. 10 answer है B. 20.1%. Then which country has declared a state of emergency as the food crisis worsened after private banks run out of foreign exchange to finance import? এটা সমস্ত জানিছেন কেউ দেশ তার মানে স্টেট অফ এমর্জেন্সি ঘোষণা করছে আম পাখাপাখি দেশ নাটা হল শ্রীলঙ্কা। শ্রীলঙ্কার বর্তমান পুরা ক্রিটিকাল পরিস্থিতি খাইয়াকু না ফরেন এক্সচেঞ্জ না মানে ডলার বহুত কমি ଅଛି তো বাহার কিনি পারিবেনি এমিতিকি ଟୁଥବ୍ରଶ କିଣିବା ପାଇଁ ବି ତାଙ୍କ ସରକାର ବ୍ୟାନ୍ ଲଗେଇଛି। ଟୁଥବ୍ରଶ ଯେତିକି ଦରକାର ଅଛି କିଣ ନହେଲେ ଦାନ୍ତ କାଠରେ ଘଷ पैसा नहीं कौन करेंगे। तापर 12 व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेट हैज बीन डिसाइडेड टू रिमूव द नेम ऑफ द फॉर्मर प्राइम मिनिस्टर राजीव गांधी फ्रॉम द ओरांग नेशनल पार्क? आंसर है 12 रो ई आसाम। आसाम रे फॉर्मर प्राइम मिनिस्टर राजीव गांधी नाटा हटे देवा डिसाइड कर स्टेट कैबिनेट। देन 13 नंबर व्हाट इज द थीम of the World Coconut Day? World Coconut Day theme कौन अच्छी? आंसर है C. Building a safe, inclusive, resilient and sustainable coconut community amid COVID-19 pandemic and beyond. Then 14 Ramon Magsaysay Award 2021 awardee Mohammad Ahmed Kasif, a visionary who founded one of the largest microfinance institute in dash servicing millions of family. 14 answer है B. Pakistan. Veteran Kashmiri separatist leader and former chief of all parties Hurriyat Conference APSC dash passed away. 15 answer है C. Syed Ali Shah Gilani. Then 4 September देखिए करेंट अफेयर फर्स्ट आंसर है which animal has been named as the state animal by the administration of Union Territory of Ladakh? आंसर है D. Snow leopard. PM Modi inaugurated a special commemorative coin of what value to mark the birth anniversary of ISKCON founder on September 1, 2021? Answer is B. RS 125. Then RBI has announced to set up a 5-member committee to scrutinize application and give recommendation on new umbrella entity license. Who will head this committee? 3 number answer है A. P. Vasudevan. हमर जो आरबीआई द्वारा जोटा हम 5 मेंबर कमिटी न्यू अम्ब्रेला एंटिटी NUE तार हेड किए हे P. Vasudevan. Then 4 number, the Rural Enterprises Acceleration Program SAT has been launched by which state or union territory for self-help group women? आंसर है 4 आंसर है आमर E. जम्मू एंड काश्मीर सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप जोरा स्वयं सहायक गोष्ठी. देन आमर 5 नंबर है which of the country have been inducted as the new member country of the new development bank NDP set up by BRICS nation. आंसर है आमर D. all of the above. बांग्लादेश, UAE and Uruguay. Then 6 नंबर है name the winner of bad photographer of the year 2021. आंसर है आमर C. Alejandro Prieto. Then 7 number, what value of monetary penalty has been imposed by RBI on Axis Bank for violation of certain provisions of the know your customer KYC norm. KYC norm रे जो माने घापला करिबारे एक्सिस बैंक ऊपर केते पेनाल्टी लगाइतला RBI. आंसर हे B. 25 लाख. Then name the newly appointed director general of the border security force. BSF रो न्यू डायरेक्टर जनरल किए छंती. आंसर हे D. Pankaj Kumar Singh. Then 9 number, which of the following company has been awarded the prestigious Global Association for Talent Development 2021 Best Award? Answer है A. Power Grid Corporation of India. Then 10 number, the Union Minister for Women and Child Development inaugurated a Nutri Garden to mark the beginning of dash. Answer है E. Poshan Maha 2021. Then 11, who has been appointed as the new Secretary General of Rajya Sabha? Answer है B. PPK Ramacharilu. Then 12 number, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has decided to form a committee to review the existing guideline of the Journalist Welfare Scheme. Who will be the head of the committee? Head of the committee किए हबो? Answer है E. Ashok Kumar Tandon. Then which of the following state or union territory will host Defence Expo 2022? Answer है D. Gujarat. Then 14, who has been appointed as CMD of Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Ltd RINL. RINL किए न्यू CMD के appointed होइछंती ना. आंसर है तमर C. Atul Bhatt. Then Siddharth Shukla, who has been passed away recently, was associated with which field? सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला को फील्ड को बिलंग करते समस्ते जानते को फील्ड को बिलंग करते टेलीविजन ओबियसली. तो आज ये थैंक यू धन्यवाद. जय जगन्नाथ. मो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दिंतु. थैंक यू.